Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TOSCIDO X109 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system. Now let's tap on languages and input and enter languages. And as you can see, here we've got the list of all previously added languages. We've got only English right now, so let's simply tap on add a language. And here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick something like maybe German. So let's tap. As you can see, here we can also pick the region, so the same situation, just tap on the one you'd like to use. As you can see, it has been immediately applied to this list, but still English is a main one, so we have to switch the places of both of those languages, so we have to have the German on the first position. So let's tap on it, hold it and drag it to the very first position, as you saw I did. And as you can see, from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language, so in my case German. So let me do it again, let me show it to you. Tap on it, hold it and drag it to the first position. And the same situation. Of course, if you want to, you can remove the languages from this list just by tapping on the three dots icon and tap on remove. Mark the language you'd like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. Of course, confirm it with OK. And as you can see, we've got only English left. So actually this is it. This is how to change system language in your TOSCIDO X109. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.